Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate amazing AI images for free using just your phone. And yes, I'm talking about Leonardo.AI, a super cool tool that can help you create mind-blowing images with just a few steps. So if you've ever wondered how to create AI-generated images without needing a computer or a budget, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. Step 1. Go to the search bar, search Leonardo.AI. Click on this. Now it's take few seconds in verification. Click on Get Started. Step 2. Sign up or log in. Now to get started, you'll need to create an account or log in if you already have one. Don't worry, signing up is free. Now I will show you sign up with Google. Choose any mail. It's take few seconds. Step 3. Navigating the interface. Now you will see an interface like this. Here your username will be Atomic Generate. Now select these two options and click on this. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Here, you'll see you got 150 free credit coins. If you completed these free credit, you can sign up again for free credits with different mail address. Now go to the mail dashboard. First, you give a prompt for image creation. In this section, you give a promptee. Simple, give them a prompt for generating images. Now I'm giving this prompt. Give me an image of flying dragon in the blue sky, and click on Create. Just scroll down here, you will see images. Now you can simply download these images. Just click on the images and tap on it. Now you can see final result.